do you think that we have, I mean, obviously you don't know, it would just be pure speculation, but do you think that we have actually developed actionable technologies from secret studies into, UFO materials, crash retrievals? Do you think that, because there are people that would say that there's an entire secret space program, and I'm not sure yet where I place my level of belief on that, but I'm pretty certain that they are reverse engineering and they're looking into this kind of stuff in the black somewhere, very secret. But whether or not they've made leaps and bounds and had success in repeating this kind of technology that mirrors UFO capabilities, I'm not sure. Where do you personally sit on that?
Number one, I don't think they've been able to completely duplicate craft
Mm.
that we've seen. However, having said that, I'm pretty well convinced from information I'm aware of that I won't get into, that they have attempted and somewhat succeeded in building a replica of somewhat. It's not an exact duplicate of a flying UFO, but it is approaching that and has been flown. These have been secret experimental flights, probably in places like Area 51. So I think that has happened. However, I don't think they're anywhere near, by they, I mean the cabal is anywhere near understanding completely how these things operate, um, and a lot of other questions. I think they're still studying that, and that's uh, now who has what secrets. I have no way of knowing that. So, but I do think that these attempts have been made. There have probably been some things produced by industry that are a result of these backed engineered projects. That is likely, but again, I could not specify to that.